Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the cuff and loop puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Abrams Puzzles and More. Difficulty level of the cuff and loop puzzle is 6 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to separate the loop from the cuff. This puzzle was 3D printed and it's a very high quality 3D printing. Then all the parts were assembled. You can see there are 8 screws that hold everything together, but you're not allowed to unscrew the bolts, even though the puzzle comes with a small Allen key. It comes just in case if you want to take it apart to see what's happening inside, but you are not allowed to use it to solve the puzzle. If you take a close look at this part, at the cuff, you will find that there is a small latch here, which you have to unlock in order to remove the loop, but first you have to find how to unlock it and then you will be able to open it. This puzzle has a lot going on. There is a opening here, there is another here, there is a part right here inside, there is a see-through opening on this side. After quick observation, you will find a lot of interesting parts and then you can use all of them to open the puzzle. If you like the cuff and loop puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.